Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a limited edition Look Fantastic beauty box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received a limited edition beauty box from LookFantastic. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly appreciate it. This box again is a limited edition box. This is $50 and it has a value inside of $180. So I really like this box. It's nice and pink. I do keep all of their boxes for storage. This one does seem like it's a little bit bigger than their normal beauty box, their monthly box. So that's really cool because this is their limited edition box. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is inside. It did come in a regular box that I removed and this was inside. So when you open it up, there's some tissue paper and there's some more tissue paper and there is some goodies down inside. So let's go ahead and see. I don't see a card, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you everything that is inside. And if I can get the pricing or if I can get information from them, I will go ahead and link it in the video, throughout the video as I show you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see the first item that we have. So the first thing that caught my attention is this Wander Beauty product, you guys. And this definitely looks like a full size. This is Dive In Moisturizer, Cream Hydrate. And it's by Wander Beauty. There is the packaging right there. And it says, minimum efforts, maximum results. Dive into 72 hours of moisture. Ooh. How to use, apply a pea-sized amount into clean face and gently massage. Can be used each morning or night. And that's what the actual package looks like. Right there. So there's item number one. That's actually exciting and it's a full-size product. So the next we have is First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So you have some exfoliation toning pads in there. So let's say how many are in here? 28 pads. So there you go. You have this right there. And it does have a seal. And so you guys can see what they look like on the inside. That's what it looks like. And they're all individual pads. Again, there's 28 of them in here and that's what it looks like. And they're already moist. So once you are done cleansing, you use this, run it across your entire face and you can tone, exfoliate, and brighten all in one shot. So that is really neat. So I like that item right there. So then the next thing, this is cute packaging. This says Snow Fox Skincare. I haven't heard of that brand, but it's an herbal youth oil. Plant-based, protein, and pure. But that packaging is super cute. It has like the little flowers, but then it kind of has like a geode kind of like thing over it. I don't know, it's really cute. I think it's cute packaging. So let's see here. This one says, apply a few drops on palm or directly onto skin before massaging it around the face. Focus on wrinkle-prone areas. Use in the morning before makeup and in the evening before bed. So let's see. Oh, and that definitely has to be a full size as well. And that's so cute that the packaging continues on the inside on the actual product. That is super, super cute. So this is a really good size and there's that. It looks like it's kind of like a yellowish color right there. That is really neat. So we have this that you can apply morning or night. So you have this face oil right here and it's a herbal youth oil, plant-based. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, these are all full-size products, you guys. So then this one right here says Philip B. Weightless Volumizing Conditioner. Hydrating Detangler for all hair types. That is really cool that we get to try this. Is there a, no. It would have been cool if there was a matching shampoo to go with it so you can try both. But we do have the Hydrating Detangler Conditioner and it's in Magnolia Flowers. Again, I really wish we would have got both, but I'm glad at least it's the conditioner versus the shampoo because the conditioner to me is where the magic happens. That's what softens my hair. That's what makes it smell good. So I love my conditioner. I'm trying to get a sniff. Ooh, that nut smells really good. What was it again? Magnolia flowers? Yes. Oh, that smells so good. I really love the way that that smells. So I'm so glad I got that. Oh, that smells so good. And again, it's Philip B right there. And this is a good size. At least it's a 2 fluid ounce. And then we have, next is Illamasqua. And this looks like it's going to be a lipstick in the color Animator. Ooh. Glove Stick Animator lipstick. I'm not quite sure, but it looks like it's going to be a pink. So let's see what this guy looks like. Here's the actual packaging. It has a logo on the top. That's the bottom. And whoa, that is definitely like a Barbie pink right there. That definitely matches the box, but that is a really bright pink. Let's see, let's swatch it. Ooh, that is definitely a Barbie pink. Nice. You want to see it on? That is pink, you guys. That's pink. And then there's one item left in here, and this says Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. Ooh, that's nice. And now that I have my undercarriage, the back part shaved, I'm totally loving to like come home and just throw my hair up. And normal big scrunchies are a little bit too thick for my hair because my hair is really thin. So I like that this is a thinner scrunchie. Look at that. And it's like a rose gold color right there. So I like that. I actually really like that. And it will look cute if you just put it on your wrist, if you took it off your hair and then you have it to pull it up. So I actually like that it's not a big old bulky. It's something different, something more sleeker of a design. So I really like that. So you guys, that is everything that came in here. We do have this pink tissue that matches, which was super, super cute to match the box. So you can always keep that for packaging if you do gift baskets or gift bags or something like that. I always keep my packaging. This was an amazing box. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this limited edition beauty box. Again, recap real quick, we have the scrunchie, which I really like that it's super thin. I like that. We have the bright pink lipstick. We have this, which I love the packaging and I can't wait to try this face oil. We have this conditioner, which I'm so excited. I'm actually going to use this tonight, so I can't wait. We have the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. And then we have the Wander Beauty Dive-In Moisturizer. So what did you guys think of this limited edition box? I think it was really, really good. I definitely see if you pay $50, you're getting your money's worth because there's a lot of products here and they're all full size. Again, I can't wait to try this guy right here and I can't wait to try this conditioner. Holy moly. You guys, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this limited edition box? Do you think it was the $180 value? Do you think it's worth the $50? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think it was a really good box. I love when they do their special edition, limited edition boxes. They're always so neat and I love the items inside. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to show you for this limited edition box. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.